Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here we are going to start with the basics of MS Word for beginners in this episode number 1. I'll teach you up to the advanced level of MS Word in all the upcoming episodes. So here stay with me and don't skip the video if you really want to learn the whole MS Word up to the advanced level. So very first here we are going to start with the tab of file where you can just open and select any blank document or any kind of document you want to select. You want to make any kind of document you want to select from here, and here's a open where you can open any kind of previous files which you have already created. So I'll just tell you about. Now we will start with the home tab section where you can just select any kind of copy any kind of content, random content, and I'll paste it over here. So you can use this paste option and paste option also. I use Control V for paste option. So here you can just select any kind of content whatever you want to make, and you can just use the formatting. So I'll teach you how you can do the formatting in this MS Word, which is very important part of the file. So very first I'm selecting this. So here is a font section available for you, theme font, where you can just select any kind of themes like Arial or anything. You can there are many Arial black, many themes available. Or here's a font size. You can just increase or decrease the font size from this section by your own, or if you want to just increase or decrease, you can increase or decrease by this section also. This is automatically decrease the font size by 2 and increase the font size by 2 by this. And here is a bold option available for you guys. So the text is already in bold section, so I'll tell you the times in Roman. So the section is already in bold section. Here is unbold, so you can use bold. And here is a italic. You can just convert the text into italic, written text. Here are underline section where you can find single underline, double underline, like you can see double underline, now double dark underline, dotted line, dash dotted line. So here are many lines. You can just color the underline also. Here is the red. You can see I'll take blue color for you guys so that you can easily understand what is actually happening here. So here is a cut text option. So whatever text you are selected, just you can cut it down from this option. You can use this option to cut the text if you don't want the text, or if you just mark the text that this text is not going to use in this particular section, so you can just cut the text. So very next option is here. So you can see it is a kind of formatting where you can just change the outline, color of the outline, whatever you want to choose the color. Like I'm selecting red. So you can see outline of the text is red color, where the text is written in black color format. So here you can see, here we are working. So you can select the shadow also, like if you want to select this one shadow, you can see a shadow of text. This is dark red color, so you cannot see, so I'll change it to black again. So here you can see the shadow of this, and outline I will select no outline. So you can see the shadow of this text. Now reflection, here is a reflection. You can use different reflections. Here you can see the reflection is visible over here, and you can glow the text. Here multiple options. You can just glow the color of the text, which is available for you guys, whatever may be the color you want to select, by which glowing object. It was showing like a glowing object. In number style here, I'm not taking any number or tabular format, so that I'll tell you. Here is a style set also available. So here is another option. Here you can just change the case of the letters. So very first you can just change the sentence case. You can see his first letter of the text is capital due to sentence case. Now it is in lower case, so you can just see all the text written in lowercase. So all the text in uppercase, you can change it here, and capitalize each text. So you can just see it is capital. Each word of first letter of the word is capital. So the total case, you can just first letter as small and remaining ones are capital in format. So here is a paint option also available for the whole text. You can just paint the whole text which you are selected. So if you want to paint, or I'll select no color, otherwise this is not going to be visible for you guys. So uppercase, I'll select it, and you can just underline it, or you can choose the color of the text. You can just select the red color of the text. Oh sorry, the text is unselected. So I'll select it again and choose the red color. So you can see the whole text is in red color. Again I'll select it and change the text to uppercase. So you can see the whole text into a red color. So here I'll show you how to save this file in different format for this episode, which is used in basics. So I'll just save this file to any seminar. Like you can just use here, you can just type file name, any kind of name, like name. I'll just put it name, and here is a different option like MS Word, MS Document, or many of you guys have confusion how you can just save the file in PDF format. So here is a PDF option where you can select PDF format, so that file would be saved in PDF format. So this one is for the first episode for the beginners, and I'll continue in next episode for you guys. So if you like this video, please comment to the video, and I would appreciate your feedback in comment section below. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative video, and share this to your friends so that it can. Thank you viewers for watching this video.